Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to scale with reference in AutoCAD. The reference option within the scale command is one of the most useful features in AutoCAD because it allows you to resize objects based on an existing measurement, rather than guessing a scale factor. This is especially helpful when you have a drawing that is the wrong size and you need it to match another drawing, a known dimension, or a reference object. Instead of calculating a scale factor manually, AutoCAD can determine the correct scaling based on the lengths you specify. Scale with reference is a feature of the scale command that allows AutoCAD to resize an object based on an existing length and a desired length, rather than requiring you to calculate a scale factor yourself. Why use reference scaling? Reference scaling is useful when imported drawings are the wrong size, survey data needs correction, old plans need resizing, two drawings must match exactly, and a known measurement exists. Why it is more accurate. Instead of estimating or calculating a scale factor manually, AutoCAD uses actual measurements to determine the correct scaling automatically. Start by opening AutoCAD. Open the drawing you want to scale, and the drawing that will serve as the reference. Having both drawings visible allows you to compare measurements and ensure the scale drawing matches the reference. Position the two drawings so they can be viewed simultaneously. Click on the object or drawing that requires resizing. Only the selected objects will be scaled. The reference drawing remains unchanged. Go to the command line and type Scale, then press Enter. What happens next? The Scale command becomes active. AutoCAD will ask for base point. The base point is the fixed reference point from which the scaling operation occurs. The selected point remains fixed while the rest of the object expands or contracts around it. After selecting the base point, move the cursor. AutoCAD prepares for the scaling operation and waits for the next instruction. Type R, then press Enter. R stands for Reference. Instead of asking for a scale factor, AutoCAD switches into reference mode. You no longer need to calculate a scale factor manually. AutoCAD will calculate it for you. Now select the length on the drawing that represents the current measurement. The reference length is the existing distance that AutoCAD uses as the basis for scaling. Next, select or specify the length that should become the new measurement. In your workflow, this is done by referencing the correctly sized drawing. What happens next? AutoCAD compares current length and desired length and calculates the required scale factor automatically. Result: the selected drawing is resized so that its reference length matches the target length. The scale drawing now aligns much more closely with the reference drawing. Why this method is so useful? It eliminates the need to calculate ratios manually, estimate scale factors, and perform repeated scaling attempts. You do not need to know the scale factor beforehand. The reference option calculates it automatically. What you just accomplished: you selected a drawing to resize, activated the scale command, chose a base point, entered reference mode, specified a current length, matched it to a target length, automatically scaled the drawing accurately. To summarize, scaling with reference in AutoCAD begins by opening both the reference drawing and the drawing that needs to be resized. After selecting the drawing to scale, the scale command is started from the command line. A base point is then specified, followed by entering R for the reference option. AutoCAD then asks for the current reference length, which is selected from the drawing. After specifying the desired length using the reference drawing, AutoCAD automatically calculates the necessary scale factor and resizes the selected drawing so that its dimensions match the reference. This method provides a highly accurate way to scale objects without manually calculating scale factors. And that's how to scale with reference in AutoCAD. This technique is one of the most practical ways to correct incorrectly sized drawings because AutoCAD does the math for you and scales the object based on actual measurements. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.